Answer questions about transactions. Sometimes, while reviewing your transactions, we may come across entries that need a bit more detail. Maybe something is unclear or needs confirmation. Instead of reaching out separately, we'll send you a question linked directly to that transaction in your portal so you can review and respond without switching between emails or other platforms. New questions appear right in your to-do list. You can also find them in the transaction section. They'll be grouped so you can easily see what's waiting on a response, what's already been answered, and the full history of all past questions. When we send a question, it will include the details of the transaction, such as the amount, date, vendor, and any other relevant information, along with the question itself. If we have asked for clarification or supporting documents, you'll be able to type your response and attach any necessary files. Browse your computer for one or more files to upload, then select a folder or subfolder to store them. Once you are done, upload and continue. Now your files have been successfully attached. You can send your answer. There's also flexibility. If you reply and realize later that you need to update your answer or change a file you uploaded, you'll be able to edit your response, at least until we've moved on to the next question or marked it resolved. To help you stay on top of things, unanswered questions are automatically added to your to-do list. You'll also get a summary notification each Monday if anything is still pending, and we'll follow up separately if there's anything that's time-sensitive.